Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have some vegan salad. Yes, pure vegan salad, and you will enjoy everything or every bit of it. If you are here and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like, and share this video. Hey, let's look at the things you are going to use. So, I have my vegetables ready in salty water. Yes, I added salt to the water and added the vegetables to it. So I have cabbage, carrots, bell peppers, cucumber, spring onions. We also add some lettuce to it. And this is my homemade vegan mayonnaise. Check the description box for how to make vegan mayonnaise. We are going to add sweetener and also black and white pepper. So we are going to slice our vegetables, starting with a cabbage. Slice it into any size and any shape that you want. We don't have any specific rule or measurement. Yɛmfa tape measure nto ho nti twitwa no mesi ma ɛpɛ biara hu ɛwɔ ma mekyerɛ no na use. So we are done with our cabbage and we are going to put it into our salad spinner. Yes, we are going to pour everything into our salad spinner, and then we'll move to our next vegetable. That's the onion. You're going to add onion, white onion also to it. As I said, you can maybe cut it in any form or shape that you want. Just do it the way you want. Master, I'm not being stressed. I'm just picking out the ones that didn't come out well for me, and then I'm going to use the rest. Okay, straight to the salad spinner. Everything straight into it. And so, hey, you can still be a vegan and be on keto diet. Do you get it? Some people say, oh, well, I'm a vegetarian, I'm a vegan, and keto is all about meat. How can I be on keto diet without taking in meat and all that? Hey, this is it. You can still be a vegan, enjoy your mayonnaise and all that. Just check the description box for a link to how to make vegan mayonnaise at home, and you would love it. It is so great and very nice. So we are done with our bell peppers also, and now we are slicing our spring onions. So what you see there are the things, the chops that I don't want. Yes, I don't want those parts. Okay, and so slice everything and add them to it. And if you are not a vegetarian, you also want a challenge. I have a challenge on keto 30 days. Just check on the channel and then follow it. Gradually you get them. I also have a video on flat tummy water. You can check it and be drinking it from time to time. We are grating our carrots now. Okay, and hey, drinking the flat tummy water alone is not enough. You also have to add exercise to it and eat well. Be on keto. Keto is not just about losing weight. It does a lot of healing to your system even before you start losing weight. Okay, and so we are done grating, and we are grating our cucumbers also. We're going to grate everything, then we'll add it into we'll take it straight to the salad spinner, add it to the other vegetables. Okay, so this is it. And so just straight into our salad spinner. And what I'm going to do is I'm also going to work on my lettuce. I'll just take the part that I don't want, and then the part that I want, I'll just be splitting them with my hands or my fingers, and that'll be okay. You can decide to use your chopping board and knife to slice them, but for me, this method is okay for me. Today I want to do it this way. Sometimes I use the knife, sometimes I use my hands. Okay, so add everything straight into it, and I'm going to add vinegar to it to wash it. I already have water on it, and so I'll use the salad spinner to rinse it very well. Because I used my hands on them a lot, even though I used salt to wash the vegetables, I still have to wash it with vinegar because I've touched them with my hands. Okay, so this is it. We are going to drain the water, and then we'll come and get it dry. So I'm pouring some salt solution. The salt that I use is a stone type, the sea salt, so I have to make it into a solution form. Pour it on it and then get it dry. Use the spinner to get a vegetable dry, and also mix the salt on the vegetables very well to give it some tastes. So we are done, and we are going to pour everything into our salad bowl. So that's it. So this is the water we have, okay? And so we're going to pour everything into our salad bowl, and then we'll stir it together. And so today's challenge is on salad, vegan salad. And so you can decide to add a cup of green tea to it, or your flat tummy water to it, or you can even make BPC. I'll leave the link to how to make BPC and enjoy this. You will love it. So you are going to add a quarter teaspoon of black pepper and a quarter teaspoon of white pepper to it, and mix everything together. Stir it together very, very well. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like and share this video for me. So this is our homemade vegan mayonnaise. No eggs. No. This is pure vegan. And I'm adding sweetener to it. You can decide not to add sweetener to it and use it like that. But me my mouth inside sweet me. Charlie, no mind my English, oh. Don't mind my English. And so mix it very well, and we're going to add it to our salad. You're going to add it to our salad. It's nice, so you will be surprised that this is vegan. I mean, the mayonnaise you are enjoying is vegan. You will enjoy every bit of it. So give it a try. Watch the video and try yours, and you will not regret it. Okay. And so we are going to add our homemade baked beans to it. This is purely vegan, homemade. I'll leave the link in the description box. You see how thick it is. So you can also make your own keto baked beans. This is keto. You know, on keto diet, it's not every beans that you can take. And so this one is pure keto beans. And so you can watch the video, learn, and then make your own baked beans at home and enjoy it. Okay, so you are also going to add our ketchup, homemade keto ketchup. So you see, everything we are using is almost homemade. That is the idea behind this channel, that we'll be able to make things or certain things by ourselves. And so this is it for our vegan salad today. Looking all sumptuous and tasty. You will love every bit of it. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like this video, comment, and share for me. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.